Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. Today we are going to discuss one of the important topic that is fusion factor. Before going to the fusion factor definitions, go back to that in that fuse concept. In that there are 2-3 definitions will be there. First thing is current rating of fuse, or current carrying current, or current rating of fuse. So what is the current rating of fuse? The current rating of fuse nothing but the fuse at which the current can carry generally or normally, or else you can say that the fuse element which can carry the current normally without without disturbing the circuit. Let us take a metal piece of fuse, and the fuse, the current will flowing through this. We can connect a load. Let us how much the current will flow. It is 5 ampere rating of current. How much load rating? 5 ampere rating of load is there. We have to send the current also 5 amp. It means current rating of the fuse. It means how much the general current is required. How much amount of current is required to the load. That much amount you need to send through the fuse. That is the current rating of the fuse. It is a current which we can carry the circuit normally under rated condition with very good condition of the load. This is called current rating of the fuse. Next you can say the fusion current. So what is the fusion current? Or fusion current or fusion current? So what you can say that fusion factor or fusion current is nothing but it is a current above which the fuse will going to be damaged. It is nothing but generally we are taking a fuse, you are sending a 5 ampere current, 5 ampere load is okay. Unfortunately, if you send a 6 ampere, 7 ampere, 8 ampere current through this, the fuse start melting. If it is 5 ampere going on there, if the fuse is okay. If it is more than 5 ampere, let us say 6 amps current will flowing through the fuse start melting, because what is the rating of fuse? 5 ampere rating of fuse. If it is more than 5 ampere will go into a circuit, going to the load, automatically this fuse will melt. It will not allow more than 5 ampere. That's what the rating of fuse is. 5 amps means 5 amps only. More than 5 amps will come, it is going to be damaged. So example, more than 5 ampere, it means 6 amps current will come, the fuse is going to be melted. That's what is one. Fusion current is nothing but the current above which the fuse is going to be damaged. It is a current above which the fuse is going to be melted. The fuse going to be melted. The fuse is going to be melted. Nothing but 6 amps current you send, the fuse is going to be melted. Understood it? That means it is a peak current above which it will melt. That's what fusion current. Next, third thing is important thing. What you are telling that you are interested in a fusion factor. Fusion factor. The fusion factor is nothing but the ratio of fusion current to the current rating of the thing. It is the ratio of fusion current to current rating of the fuse. Nothing but what is the fusion current example? 6 amps current you take. Example, 6 amps current is taken. How much a current rating of fuse? 5 ampere. So 5 by 6 nothing but always it is greater than 1. So fusion factor, very important point is fusion factor is always greater than 1. Always is greater than 1. When you are selecting your fuse, you have to maintain your fusion factor is more than 1. Then only it's better, because the fuse should work at rated condition 5 ampere. More than 5 ampere will come, that fuse start ready to melt. That's what fusion current. This is called fusion factor. Fusion factor, the basic question will come. It is a ratio of fusion current to the current rating of fuse. Fusion current is more, because more than current will come, then only fuse will melt. That's what its current will more than the rating of current, then only it will melt. Fusion factor nothing but fusion current by current rating of fuse. The question will ask, what is the range of fusion factor? The fusion factor is always more than 1. This is an important question will come 1 mark session in the case of PSUs, public sector units. Okay. Thanks for watching. Keep continue for next switch guys in the next class.